Writing quality code under time pressure is a challenge we have all encountered at some point, but fear not, because I'm here to share some invaluable tips and techniques to help you deliver exceptional code even when the clock is ticking. Imagine this scenario. You have been given a tight deadline, the pressure is on, and your stakeholders expect nothing but the best. In times like these, it's crucial to stay focused and follow a strategic approach. First and foremost, planning is key. Take a step back, analyze the project requirements, and break them down into manageable tasks where each task can be estimated for its time and effort, helping you to allocate resources efficiently. For example, if you're developing a blog website, you may break it down into tasks such as designing the homepage, creating the blog post template, implementing user authentication, and integrating a common system. So by creating a detailed plan, you will have a clear roadmap to follow, which will help you allocate your time efficiently. Remember, failing to plan is planning to fail. Next, prioritize the essential components. Identify the critical functionalities that need to be implemented first. For example, if you're developing a web application, focus on the core features that deliver value to the end users. By tackling these high priority items first, you will ensure that your code base remains functional and delivers the core purpose of the project. Another thing you could do is leverage existing code resources to save time. We don't always have to reinvent the wheel. Instead, utilize libraries, frameworks, and code snippets that are already tried and tested. For instance, you can make use of popular JavaScript libraries or frameworks like React or Angular to streamline your web development process. These tools provide pre-built components and functionality that you can easily integrate into your project. This not only saves time, but also ensures that you're benefiting from the expertise and best practices of the developer community. Efficiency is crucial when time is limited. Write modular and reusable code that can be easily understood and maintained. One effective technique is to keep your functions or methods concise, with a clear separation of concerns. This way, you can optimize your debugging process and quickly locate any issues. Remember, clean code is the foundation of quality. Collaboration is also a very powerful tool under time pressure. Don't hesitate to reach out to your team members for assistance. By leveraging their expertise, you can gain valuable insights and solutions to complex problems. Additionally, using version control systems like Git enables seamless collaboration and efficient code management, allowing multiple developers to work simultaneously without conflicts. And there you have it. Writing quality code under time pressure is a challenge, but with careful planning, prioritization, code reuse, efficiency, and collaboration, you can conquer any deadline that comes your way. Remember, these skills are invaluable in the real world, where tight project schedules and client expectations are the norm. So embrace the challenge, stay calm, and deliver your best work. If you have any other points in mind, feel free to comment down your thoughts. That's all for the video. If you found it insightful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more.